Hello everyone, myself Kunal Bhargav. In this video, I am going to solve set A of second internal MCQ test paper of analysis and design of algorithm. So, in this test paper, we have 20 MCQ questions which will we have see further. So let's start. So, question number 1. What is an algorithm? So, an algorithm is a set of instructions to perform a task, or we can say that it is a set of instructions to solve any specific problem or a mathematical problem. So the correct answer is a set of instructions to perform a task. Now next question, what is which notation is commonly used to represent the time complexity of an algorithm? So big O represent the upper bound of a running time of an algorithm, and it gives the worst case complexity of an algorithm, and sigma notation provides the base case complexity of an algorithm, and the theta notation provides the average case complexity of an algorithm. So the correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Now next question, what is the purpose of analyzing algorithm? So we can analyze the algorithm to choose which algorithm is best to solve the specific problem. So the correct answer is option B, to optimize their performance. Now question number 4. Which of the following is an example of a dynamic programming problem? Dynamic programming problem is used to solve complex problem by breaking it down into a collection of simpler subproblems, solving each of the subproblems just once and storing their solution. So the example of DPP is option A, longest common subsequence. Next question. Which of the following is an example of a graph algorithm? So the correct answer is option C, that is depth first search. Now question number 6. What is the time complexity of binary search? The correct answer is option D, that is 0 in bracket log n. This is the time complexity of binary search algo to complete the execution. Now next question. Question number 7. What is the time complexity of merge sort? So merge sort is defined as the sorting algorithm that works as divide and conquer algorithm. It divides the array into subarray and sorts each subarray and merge each sorted subarray to get final sorted array. So it takes 0 and log n time to complete its sorting process. So the correct option is D. Now next question. What is the time complexity of quick sort in the worst case? So if the worst case time complexity of the quick sort is 0 n, that is option n to the power 2, that is option D. Now question number 9. Which of the following is an example of a divide and conquer algorithm? So divide and conquer algorithm is breaking a problem into a smaller subproblem and solving each subproblem into recursively. So hence the binary search is an example of divide and conquer algorithm. So correct answer is binary search, option A. Now next question. What is divide and conquer strategy? So the correct answer is option A, breaking a problem down into a smaller subproblem and solving each subproblem recursively. Now next question. Which of the following is an example of a greedy algorithm? So greedy is an approach for solving a problem by selecting the best option available at the moment. So Huffman coding is the example of greedy algorithm, and it is the technique to data comparison. So correct answer is Huffman's coding, that is option C. Now next question. What is the time complexity of Huffman's coding? So the correct option is D, that is 0 and log n. Now next question. Question number 13, that is which of the following is an example of a dynamic programming problem? So the correct answer is option B, that is matrix chain multiplication. That is example of a dynamic programming problem. Now next question. What is the time complexity of breadth first search? So the correct answer is option A, 0 in bracket n. Now next question. That is which of the following is an example of a graph algorithm? So option C, that is breadth first search, is an example of graph algorithm. Now question number 60. Which notation is commonly used to represent the space complexity of an algorithm? So big O notation, that is 0, 1, that is option D, represent the space complexity of an algorithm. Now next question, question number 17. Which of the following is an example of a divide and conquer algorithm? So the correct answer is option B, that is minimum spanning tree. It is an example of divide and conquer algorithm. Now next question, what is the time complexity of matrix chain multiplication? So the time complexity of multiplication matrix chain multiplication is option, that is option D, that is 0 and cube. Now next question. Question number 19. Which of the following is an example of a greedy algorithm? So the correct option is B, that is minimum spanning tree is the example of greedy algorithm. Now next question, question number 20. Which is the what is the time complexity of binary search in the worst case? So option D is a worst case, that is of binary search algorithm. So this video is all about the solution of test 2 set A. Thank you.